Hey everybody, Roger Levin here with your general practice production pearl of the week. We've been having a lot of conversations in our company about technology, artificial intelligence, everything we can learn to help our clients, because our goal, of course, is increasing practice production for every client. But having said that, the one realization not to lose sight of is that AI cannot replace great customer service and great relationship building with patients. As I've joked for years, we're very lucky that dentistry cannot be done on the internet. You have to actually interact with live people. Now, some days you might wish you didn't, but the reality is dentistry is always going to be about live people. Whenever you have a business, a product line, a service that involves meeting live with people, you've got a great opportunity to build relationships. But technology doesn't do it. When a sales representative says, oh, get this technology, it'll increase your case acceptance, it probably won't. Even though AI will be part of diagnostics and part of treatment presentation, it probably won't. Because in the end, patients buy the doctor and vis-a-vis the team. If they're treated well, they like you better and trust you. If they're treated exceptionally well, they like you better, they trust you, they refer other patients, they accept treatment, they write better reviews. I mean, we have clients who go from a small number of reviews to several hundred five-star reviews in 12 months with a process we teach of how to ask for them. But it's amazing. But if you don't have service to go with it, if you don't build relationships, you're not going to get those great reviews. You might not get bad reviews, you might, but you're not going to get lots of great reviews. And reviews are really important today. And if you don't know that, let me say it again, reviews are really important today. So what we want to always focus on is how do we build great relations? We listen to people without interrupting. We smile at them, we compliment them, we thank them for being a patient every time they come in. We tell them straight out, we will treat you incredibly well. We will take care of you. We will keep you comfortable. These are the scripts as part of a customer service system that we teach that you can implement, and you can do it right now. As always, I wish you increased practice production every year, and I will see you next week.